Well, hi there. Happy fall, y'all. It's Stacey Hawkins from StaceyHawkins.com, the place to be to make a better meal and live a better life the low-carb way. Fall is here. Heavy sauces, noodles, chicken, ginger. Let's give you some hacks to make cooking super easy and clean up super easy. Fresh ginger. Take your box grater, wrap it in a single layer plastic wrap. Don't peel it, just run it down here. The peel stays out, the ginger comes out. Throw this away, boom, you're done. Chicken, you want it nice, flat, even. Don't use a meat mallet, it tears it up. Use a frying pan, one with a nice big heavy end. Wrap it in plastic wrap, put it on your cutting board so that it protects your counter, and just whack it and you'll be amazed. Big surface area, 1 or 2 whacks, your chicken is nice and thin. Fall is here, heartier sauces are here. Regular old zucchini noodles, just not gonna cut it. They won't stand up to it. Use a veggie peeler, a nice big one, and 1, 2, 3, you've got some great big fat noodles to hold up to those heavy sauces. For more great recipes, visit StaceyHawkins.com. Have a great day.